Intel is expanding its portfolio of AI data center offerings, unveiling a new chip that aims to gain market share in a rapidly growing industry. I'm going to discuss the details of that announcement and what it could mean for Intel stock investors, but also NVIDIA, AMD, and all AI stock investors. Let's take a look. So Intel is expanding its portfolio, unveiling a new data center GPU codenamed Crescent Island, and revealing a rack-scale reference design based on its Gaudi 3 systems. Of course, Intel is in the middle of building out its AI strategy after falling behind the likes of NVIDIA and AMD. During the company's most recent earnings call, newly appointed CEO said he will focus on the chipmaker's efforts on AI inference and agentic AI. So Intel has fallen significantly behind AMD and, of course, way behind NVIDIA. NVIDIA, most notably, has been gaining meaningful market share in these new data centers optimized for AI. Prior generation data centers were optimized and were based on CPUs, a category where Intel had dominated for many, many years. And now the new data centers that are being built are based on primarily on GPUs. That's a category that NVIDIA dominates and has an estimated market share of around 90%. So new competitors are jumping in because NVIDIA, not only does it dominate this industry with roughly 90% market share, but it's also generating operating profit margins over 60%, gross profit margins of near 75%. So it's been a very lucrative industry for NVIDIA, a very lucrative category for NVIDIA. And I've been talking about for several quarters and several years now how when a company like NVIDIA dominates an industry and demonstrates such strong profitability, it's going to invite rivals. It's going to invite competitors because competitors are looking at NVIDIA and saying, man, your profits are amazing. Your growth is amazing. We want even just a piece of that would be great for our business. And so they're jumping in, all of them trying to take nibbles at the industry that NVIDIA dominates. And of course, the buyers of these products, the companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, etc., that are purchasing these GPUs, they welcome the competition because this is a major input into these data centers optimized for AI. NVIDIA dominates this industry so strongly that they command premium prices. Click the link below to watch the full video.